So today is day one. We actually closed yesterday afternoon on this house, so now we officially own it. And so today is our first day of doing work. And what we're trying to accomplish today is to check the electrical, make sure everything's functioning. Because when you buy these homes and they're foreclosures, you cannot test anything. There's no power on, there's no water, there's no services whatsoever. So you cannot test anything until after you purchase the house. So any surprises you get are all yours. But anyways, so today our goal is to test all the electrical, and so far we've turned it on. It looks like everything's okay. And to do the plumbing. So we're going to do the new faucet here. We're going to fix the valves underneath, and we're going to reconnect, add a valve for that ice maker line. And we're going to install the ice maker box here. Not just the little line coming up, but we're going to actually put the box with the valve. We're going to try to get to the sink today to change the drain. And the other plumbing we're doing is we're going to obviously test this thing here. We've already initially tested it and nothing has leaked, amazingly. And it looks like everything is solid. But that's still a question. And just to remind everybody, the question is you have this PEX pipe going into this copper. As you see here, so you have this PEX pipe going into the copper. It's not connected to the copper. There's no connection. It's inside. Here you can see where they connected it, right? Let me point. See, there you can see where they connected it to the copper. And where they connected it, all the way up there to where they connected it to the main line. But that main line comes down and does not connect. Don't know why. Don't know why it's not leaking. I've never seen anything like this. It's rather confusing, especially considering everything else looks so professionally done. Anyway, so we will test that today. And in here, we will double check and test the sinks. Everything looked to be okay when we first turned it on, but we will double check and we'll actually see if we have a stopper that fits that sink. Does it need one here? And we'll see if we have a stopper that fits over that one as well. We have stoppers that we have from our stock that we brought with us to see if that'll work. And then to go to the master, we will test these sinks, and we're going to, reminder again, we're going to work on the shower valve and trim to make sure it's functioning. And we will do the same here. It looks like everything's functioning here, but that trim is not up against the wall. And I think it's just a matter of removing that trim and setting back the valve to where it doesn't move. Anyways, that's our plan today. Today is plumbing day, day one.